Okay, okay. So, good afternoon to all. Thank you for coming online and participating for the webinar on coping with depression. Thank you to my Jain community business organization for allowing me to conduct a webinar on depression. Okay. Uh, Before I start the session, I would like in short to brief about myself. I am practicing as a mental health professional from last 18 years. I'm working at Asha Southern Maharashtra State Women Council, JJ Hospital, and Psyche Wellness Center. I'm a co-founder of Psyche's Wellness Center. Okay. So the webinar will be on mostly two parts: understanding depression and overcoming depression. Okay. Depression is the most talked topic as a psychology and psychiatry, both way. And the term depression has been used very casually by all of us, mostly. And the true meaning of it is lost. Okay. So the statistic about depression is according to the W Health Organization, the statistic is like the India is the sixth most depressed country, and out of every one individual is suffering from depression, and onset 18 years for 24 years is 75%. And some of the more about it.
Rita ji,
Yeah.
your
Yeah,
voice is not clear. Some problem is there. मतलब कुछ break होके आ रहा है.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है?
आवाज आ रहा है लेकिन ब्रेक होके आ रहा है, तो मतलब थोड़ा बहुत समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. आप बीच में कुछ बोलते हो ना तो वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं आ रहा है तो वापस बोलना है, शुरू करना है.
नहीं 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 yes, नहीं नहीं कंटिन्यू.
Okay.
Yeah, continue.
So okay, now everybody can hear approximately.
Yes. Now it's okay.
Now it's okay. Okay. So considering the statistic which I just reported, we need to be aware of depression. Depression is something, a brain disorder, a mood disorder. Depression is very casually used, and it denotes, as we can rename, it's a brain disorder or a mood disorder. Okay. So how does depression affect? What is actually depression? You know, when we are in a group, one thing we just say, मुझे depressed feeling हो रहा है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, या bad feeling हो रहा है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, कुछ भी ऐसा, कुछ भी छोटा मोटा हो गया, यार मेरा आज क्लाइंट नहीं टर्न आउट हुआ, मैं तो डिप्रेस्ड हो गई, आज रेन ज्यादा हो गया, आज जॉब चला गया, कुछ भी ऐसी छोटी बात हो जाती है तो हम लोग डिप्रेशन वर्ड एकदम इजीली यूज करते थे. तो डिप्रेशन वर्ड और फीलिंग में बहुत ज्यादा फर्क है. जैसे कि डिप्रेशन क्लिनिकल ये होता है और सैडनेस एक फीलिंग और एक इमोशन होता है. जब भी कोई अपने मुताबिक नहीं होती, हमारे एक्सपेक्टेड के हिसाब से नहीं होती है, तो हमें क्या हो जाता है, तभी हम एक बार थोड़ा सा फीलिंग ऑफ सैडनेस आता है. वो नॉर्मल, बड़ी, it's a normal emotion which everybody experience it. So the feeling of emotion and sadness feeling is totally different from clinical depression. Clinical depression is something like it lasts at least for 2 weeks. Feeling of stress won't go away. You know, when you have feeling of sadness, थोड़ी देर बाद समझो आज दिवाली है और सुबह आपको थोड़ा सैडनेस आया, लेकिन फिर दिवाली है कि कुछ और ओकेजन है घर पे, तो हमारा सैडनेस फीलिंग चला जाता है, हम लोग वापस अपने ये इमोशन अपना ट्रांसेंड हो जाता है, तो इजीली हम लोग कवर अप हो जाते हैं. लेकिन डिप्रेशन में ऐसा नहीं होता है. कितना भी कुछ भी आने दो, नया इवेंट आने दो, ये आने दो, अपने फीलिंग्स और अपना जो रहता है वो ऑलवेज रहता है. सो एक्चुअली में डिप्रेशन में क्या होता है, इट इंटरफियर्स विथ योर डेली लिविंग. यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू, यू आर नॉट एबल टू follow your routine like work, play, eat, enjoy, study, and it affects your daily life. And it is not, the person who is suffering from depression is not able to enjoy or take the pleasure of the things which he usually used to enjoy. जैसे पहले मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, ये एक पिक्चर देख ली, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रही थी कि हाँ ये पिक्चर देखने जाना है, लेकिन हमेशा अफेक्ट होता है तो हमको लगता है नहीं मुझे ये पिक्चर नहीं देखना है, मुझे कोई चीज में मन ही नहीं लगता. It's a serious, there are many more symptoms of sadness. Is not one of it is one of the symptoms, but not only one. The core symptoms are quite different. So as depression will the person who is suffering for depression, usko negative thinking, feeling or behavior, तीनों negative, thinking, feeling and behavior. थिंकिंग में उसको थॉट प्रोसेस हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, अभी क्लासरूम में ही चला गया है तो उसको सीधा 5-10 मिनट भी हो गए, नहीं मैं तो अच्छा नहीं हूँ, मैं लेट क्यों आया, मैं ऐसा क्यों हुआ, वो टीचर नहीं आई, मैं यहाँ पे फेल हो जाऊंगा, मुझे ये एग्जाम की पढ़ाई होगी कि नहीं होगी, कुछ भी वैसा उसका कंटिन्यूस नेगेटिव फीलिंग स्टार्ट होगी. जब नेगेटिव उसको फीलिंग आएंगे, थॉट्स आएंगे तो उसको नेगेटिव फीलिंग होएगा तो उसका सैडनेस फील. फिर बिहेवियर कैसे करेगा, क्लास में इंटरैक्ट नहीं करेगा, किसी से बात नहीं करेगा. सो एक्चुअली डिप्रेशन आर द ऑटोमेटिक नेगेटिव थॉट्स, जो हम लोग हमारी लैंग्वेज में कॉग्निशन बोल रहे हैं, डिस्टॉर्शन ऑफ कॉग्निशन. या सो क्लिनिकल डिप्रेशन इज different from a sadness according to the length of time and the impact on an individual. So what are the other symptoms of depression? What are the other symptoms of depression? The physical symptoms you can say like changes in sleep, appetite, energy, loss of sex desire, lack of pleasure in doing things, slow motor movement, speech, feeling of guilty, worthlessness, helplessness, hopelessness, and withdrawing. The behavior is basically isolation, withdrawing from friends, and recurrent, many a times when it's a severe thing, recurrent thoughts of self-harm, which later goes for suicide maybe. So you understand there after all, if all of these 9 symptoms, if you have 5 symptoms, then according to our diagnostic manuals, diagnostic statistic manual, you are diagnosed as a depressed or depression. But still there are 3 stages of depression: minor, moderate and severe. When an individual is at a minor level or a very low level, so only the thought process has worked out. He's not feeling good. He will do his daily activity. He'll go to work. He will do all his chores of his whatever activities. But मन उदास है. मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. सब कुछ कर रहा है लेकिन मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. I don't feel like सब अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है, वो भी. But no, I don't feel like doing. I'll do as but all my work. Whichever work you will ask me, I will do. And my responsibilities I will try. But for these are individuals different. The second part is the moderate, where it will affect to some part of his routine work, where he won't be able to go to his work, he won't be able to play, he won't be able to study, and he will be a little bit withdrawn with his behavior also. Second part will be withdrawn from his behavior. He will answer to just a point. This will reduce the motor activity. He won't get up in the morning. He won't feel like getting up in the morning. The third will be self-harm, where he will has an inner voice talking to him. No, you're not good. You're not good. You're not fit to stay alive. You're not this. This is the third part. Basically, the mind part, you can say the first stage, we can, according to the severity, according to the stressors in the individual's life, go for counseling or psychologist. The second part, the moderate people, moderate individual can do it by medicine and counseling. But the third one, who has a self-harm, thoughts of self-harm, that individual basically needs a supervised medication and supervised caretaker along with. and it needs to be for some time until the individual has thoughts, at least some improvement is seen that they doesn't have any thought of self harm. So there are multiple reasons and causes for depression, many causes. There are, like, you can say genetic, like a biological cause, psychological cause. So biological cause is genetic. Any one individual in the family or anybody who is suffering from depression, chances of the child or the brother or chances of depression increases for the person. And of course the other parts are the psychological factors are of course major events in the family, social, like conflicts, personal conflicts, disputes in the family history, any abuse in childhood, changes. Of course, the biological factors, I just forgot one more, is the changes in the brain neurotransmitter, where there are some chemical changes in the brain which affects indirectly his thinking process, which affects his behavior and his feeling. So the multiple causes you can say is genetic, environmental, psychological and social, uh, and family history, abuse, past physical or sexual or emotional abuse, conflict, personal conflict or disputes in the family, death or a loss or the grief from a death of a loved one, major events like losing a job or income, getting divorced, serious illness can also trigger medical illness, substance abuse, which a individual basically indulges in substance abuse, which at that point gives him a high, but later on it is ultimately will aggravate to depression. Yeah. So what are the challenges? How will you overcome this depression? See, first and foremost, the severity is to be understood. How severe is the depression? So first, when you have any feeling like that, thought process like that, or you behave something like that, you can talk to your trustworthy, your mother, your sister, your brother, your girlfriend, boyfriend, anybody of them. Because at that moment, you're not feeling good. So you need to talk to somebody when you have some thought process in your mind. When you talk to somebody, automatically the other individual is trustworthy, he will understand to some extent. Many a times I have heard my clients saying, like, जब ये शुरुआत में आया था तभी मैंने उसको बोला अपना रूटीन रखो, रोज बराबर काम करो, बिजी रहो, ये करो, वो करो, हॉबीज करो, नया एक्टिविटी करो, बहन के साथ रहो, भाई के साथ रहो, ऐसे करो, बट दैट इज सोल्यूशन, depends upon the severity. So that is not the solution. So you can, after a period of time, when you can go to a psychologist, screen yourself. She will take your thorough history, understand you completely, what are the causes, what are the environmental factors, what are the other factors. She will make you understand about it. And according to her, if she says you need medication, then of course we can go for medication also. But it is important for any individual, because recently I had a client, because recently Uta? Yeah, recently I had a client. Yeah, so recently I had a तो अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ही मेरे पास कोई एक क्लाइंट था, जो क्लाइंट था वो आया था मेरे पास कि मुझे, मैं सब काम कर रहा हूँ घर पे, सब कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये भी काम कर रहा हूँ, वो भी कर रहा हूँ, मुझे सब पसंद भी आया, मैं सब, मेरा मेरी वाइफ अच्छे, मेरे बच्चे अच्छे, मेरे अच्छा पे है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन वो 10 साल से यही फीलिंग से चल रहा था, 10 साल से। तभी वो हमारे पास आया, तभी बोला मुझे ये भी अच्छा लेकिन मुझे एक अंदर से अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। तभी हम लोग ने उसको बात की। एक्चुअली शायद 10-12 साल से वो ये चीज से सफर कर रहा था, लेकिन उसका रूटीन चल रहा था, वो सब काम कर रहा था, एवरीथिंग वो कर रहा था, मतलब उसके हिसाब से वो कोई भी ऐसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चूक नहीं रहा था। he was doing completely all his responsibility and with faith, लेकिन वो मुझे मिला था, तभी मुझे पता नहीं मैम ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं क्या करूं, मुझे ऐसे थोड़ा सा हिंट आ रहा है। तभी हम लोग ने उसका स्क्रीनिंग किया, समझ में आया, तो समझ में आया पर तो उसको डिप्रेशन कोई तो कॉजेज है। लेकिन जब भी हमने उसको टॉक थेरेपी से शुरू किया, क्योंकि वो वर्क बराबर से अपना पूरा रूटीन चल रहा था, उसका इंटरफेरेंस नहीं था डेली लिविंग से, तो उसको टॉक थेरेपी से बातें की, ये की, लेकिन हमने उसमें कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं देखा। 1 वीक देखा, 2 वीक देखा, 3 वीक देखा, 1 महीना देखा उसको, लेकिन उसमें हमने कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं देखा। फिर हमने साइकेट्रिस्ट को उसको कंसल्ट किया। जब साइकेट्रिस्ट को कंसल्ट किया, उसने भी उसको दवा दी। 1 वीक के लिए उसको बोला दवा लिया 1 वीक के लिए, फिर उसको बाद में 1 मंथ के लिए दवा लिया, तब उसको थोड़ा सा नहीं के जैसे फर्क पड़ा। फिर बाद में जब भी उसने दवा ली थोड़ी बराबर टाइम, तभी उसको थोड़ा सा फर्क है। तभी उसने मुझे आके मुझे ऐसे बोला कि मैम मेरे 12 साल मैंने बिगाड़ दिए, इतना बड़ा मेरे खुद से मैंने चीटिंग किया। जब भी मैं एक बार आपके पास आ जाता था, जो उसको टाइम ऑफ कोर्स रखा, मैं आपको सही बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि एक तो उसको सबसे पहले उसको जो था एक्स करना डिफिकल्ट कि मुझे डिप्रेशन है, इसी वजह से थोड़ा टाइम ज्यादा लगा कि वो एक्सेप्ट करना, क्योंकि जो भी बात में उसको बात करते थे टॉक थेरेपी में, उसकी थिंकिंग ये चल रही थी, वो चल रही, सब नॉर्मल चल रहा था। लेकिन आखिर में 12 साल के बाद जब भी वो आया, तभी उसका कम से महीने भर से ज्यादा के बाद उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा फर्क पड़ा, एंड नाउ ही इज लिविंग टू हिज फुलेस्ट। सो गोइंग टू अ डॉक्टर, 80% of the individuals who suffer from depression don't visit a doctor. आपको पता है कि समझो मुझे थोड़ी सी वॉमिटिंग हो गई, एक वॉमिटिंग हो गई, ठीक है, वॉमिटिंग शायद कुछ हुआ होगा तो मैंने हो गया होगा, दूसरा वॉमिटिंग हो गए, हम भागते फटाफट डॉक्टर के पास कि मेरा ये इंटेस्टाइन अपसेट क्यों हुआ, मेरा स्टमक अपसेट क्यों, थोड़ा सा चेस्ट पेन आया, मैं फटाफट भागती हूँ डॉक्टर के पास, कुछ भी ऐसे हुआ तो मैं फटाफट भागूंगी डॉक्टर के पास। थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा कि मुझे बुखार आया तो मैंने फटाफट थर्मामीटर से चेक किया। तो हम अनकंडीशनड, हमारा कंडीशनड है कि हमको मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स को नहीं मिलना है, ये हम कंडीशन हमारे दिमाग में रख लिया है कि समझो मुझे कुछ थॉट्स आए हैं तो मैं सब अपने को गाइडेंस देना शुरू करेंगे, नहीं आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ, तारे कहीं नहीं थયું, कहीं नहीं कहीं काम कर से तो थई जैसे, बिजी रहे से तो थई जैसे, but not like that. If you visit a mental health professional, it is just you will understand what it is and what it is not. It's really very easy, but the stigma with it, because I'll tell you very honestly, I have my family clients, I have my people of my area, I have people of Jain community, they all want to meet me, but not at my nearest clinic. They all want to meet me at my Opera House clinic, where people cannot see them. So this is high confidence which we have to keep, and we do keep for the betterment of the client. But still, there's lots of stigma with mental health profession. Disorder. I think I have just these are just automatic negative thoughts which I have talked about depression. So minor, major, and severe. These are the 3 types which I have talked. And any questions from your side, you can start. Yes? If any point which is not clear, or you want me to talk more on it, or you want to understand about it, what are the therapies we use? We use rational emotive behavior therapy, we use cognitive behavior therapy for depression.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Ah, bolo na.
What are the factors that prevent an individual to accept that he is depressed?
What are the factors?
that prevent individual to accept that he is a depressed person.
The stigma is the basic thing. The stigma is the basic thing which I have seen, and according to the case history, I can tell you acceptance. Are you Gujarati?
હા ગુજરાત
હા, તો આપણે એક્સેપ્ટ કરી લઈએ છીએ કે હા મને આ થયું છે, મને હું બીમાર છું. આપણે જ્યારે આપણે પેટ દુખે ત્યારે આપણે ફટાફટ એક્સેપ્ટ કરીએ છીએ કેમ કે આપણે કન્ડિશન્સ છે. જ્યારે આપણે કંઈ પણ બીજી ઇલનેસ થાય તો આપણે એક્સેપ્ટ નથી કરતા. The voice is telling you something કે you're not feeling good, but ઇનર્સને આપણે સાંભળતા નથી. જ્યારે મને ફિઝિકલ સિમ્ટમ્સ દેખાય છે, મને વોમિટિંગ થાય છે, મને આ થાય છે, તો આપણને ખબર પડે છે. પણ આ મેન્ટલ આ બ્રેનમાં ચાલે છે. તો આ બ્રેનમાં ચાલે છે તો યુ ડોન્ટ નહીં થઈ જશે મને શું છે હવા બદલી જશે તો મને ઠીક થઈ જશે. હું મારા માસીને ઘરે રહેવા જઈશ તો મને ઠીક થઈ જશે. That is the
પણ આમાં તમે જો ને ઘણા ફેમિલી મેમ્બર જ હોય છે જે એને પ્રિવેન્ટ કરે છે જવા માટે કે તારે આમાં જવાની જરૂર નથી, ઠીક થઈ જશે. એટલે આમાં થોડો ઘણો ફેમિલી મેમ્બર નો પણ હોય છે, મને એવું લાગે.
હા હોય છે, તો ફેમિલી મેમ્બર હોય છે તો પછી એને સમજ એ છે અવેરનેસ નથી ડિપ્રેશનની. સૌથી મોટી વાત છે કે અવેરનેસ નથી કે આ છોટી વાત છે કે આ મોટી, આપણે સિરિયસલી સમજતા નથી. એ જ કહું છું કે આપણે મેન્ટલ હેલ્થ પ્રોફેશનલ આગળ આપણે જવા માટે હિચકીએ છીએ. આ ઠીક થઈ જશે, આપણને એક જ વાત છે કે આ ઠીક થઈ જશે. દેટ ઇઝ વોટ. જો તમને આટલા વાર સુધી 10 વર્ષ સુધી મારા ક્લાયન્ટને ઠીક નહોતું, સ્ટીલ એને લાગતું હતું ઠીક થઈ જશે, ઘરમાં પણ બધા બોલતા જ હશે okay to feel sometimes, but sometimes you feel sad, but not always. You should feel pleasure when the activity you enjoyed earlier.
અને ફેમિલી મેમ્બરોને કન્વિન્સ કરવું બહુ મુશ્કેલ થઈ જાય ઘણી વાર. આ વસ્તુ
ફેમિલી મેમ્બરને
કન્વિન્સ કરવું બહુ મુશ્કેલ થઈ જાય.
હા, તો આપણે અમે જો સાયકોલોજી જે છે અમે ફેમિલી મેમ્બર જોડે પણ વાત કરીએ છીએ. તો અમારું કામ કેવું રીતે છે કે પહેલા અમે ક્લાયન્ટ જોડે વાત કરીએ છીએ, પછી અમે ડ્રાઈવર્સ જોઈએ છે કયા ડ્રાઈવર છે જેનાથી આ આપણું ક્લાયન્ટને ફાયદો થવાનો છે. So we look at the drivers or the anticipation situations or the environment stimulus, ઘરમાં કોણ કોણ છે જેને કારણે એને reinforcement મળશે, એને સારું થશે કે એને કેરટેકર કોણ કોણ છે. We of course take a session with the caretaker also.
Okay.
Family members.
Thank you.
Yeah.
मैडम एक क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मतलब कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कि ये बंदा डिप्रेशन में है? जो शायद वो मेरे से अच्छे से बात कर रहा है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है जैसे वो अपने को मालूम पड़े वो डिप्रेशन में है.
हाँ, तो यही बात मैंने जो बोली है कि वो खुद ही बोलेगा कि मुझे फील गुड नहीं है. मैंने जितने सिम्टम्स बताए ना अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, उसमें से कोई तो एक सिम्टम्स रहेगा जब भी वो आपको पता चलेगा कि वो उसको डिप्रेशन. मैंने अभी कम से कम आपको कितने सिम्टम्स बताए, 9 से 10, कि उसका સ્લીપ બરાબર નહીં હે, એનું જમવાનું ટાઈમ પર નહીં હશે, કદાચ એનું જે ચીજે એને ગમતી હતી પહેલા એ હમણાં એને ગમતી નથી, પછી એની મોટર એક્ટિવિટી થોડી સ્લો થઈ જશે, એને બાર નેગેટિવ ફિલિંગ થશે, ગિલ્ટ ફિલિંગ થશે, હોપલેસનેસ, હેલ્પલેસનેસ, એવું બધું એને ફિલિંગ આવે છે. અને મોટી વાત છે કે આપણે જો પહેલા આપણું ફ્રેન્ડ હોય કે કઈ ભાઈ હોય તો આપણે એને પહેલા કહેતા હોય કે ચલો આપણે જઈએ અહીંયા, તો એ તુરંત તૈયાર થઈ જાય. પણ એ ડિપ્રેસ હશે તો નહીં, क्या करने का है, नहीं आने का है, मुझे रहने दो ना, I don't feel like going. So the I don't feel like going are some of the words which you need to understand. You need to catch those words. Why don't you feel like? What happened? શું થયું તને આજે કેમ નથી આવવાનું? If you say no once, it's fine. Twice, fine. But then you can see for other symptoms also what happens. So depression is sometimes only a feeling of sadness, helplessness, hopelessness. Along with it, how many symptoms are going added by environmental factors, genetic, biological, social.
Okay.
Yes.
One second. There is one question from Jaini. What are some of the strategies can be used to overcome this stigma or to aware people about mental health issue?
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, one second.
Yeah.
What are some of the strategies can be used to overcome this stigma or to aware people about mental health issues?
So how will you do it? So there are awareness thing, mental health camps which are going on. We have our community talk openly. હવે બધાને જો મારા અહીંયાથી જો મારી જૈન કમ્યુનિટી હોય કે મારા પરિવારમાં જ I am staying in a family of 50 to 60 individuals together, a joint family. So we have all of us inside and everybody feels, but to talk openly, nobody talks. So that is the stigma which we are going through. The stigma is not allowing you to talk. So you need to remove the stigma by saying the mental illness is the same like physical illness. You know, when in I think just 30 years back, when we had a heart attack, it was 85% death for heart attacks. 85%. And now it has just reduced like almost to 10 to 12%. So the awareness thing, you yourself.
One second. Ma'am, you can unmute yourself. Okay, one more question is there from Neha.
Yeah.
1 minute. How should we deal with a person we feel is suffering from depression?
How should you deal?
Yeah.
Yeah. How will you deal with that patient who is suffering from
depression?
Okay.
Yeah.
So first and foremost, you need to understand what level of depression the person is having. What level of depression that individual is suffering. Okay. You need to take him first and foremost to a psychologist and then to a psychiatrist, the severity on it, and help him mostly. I'll tell you, many things are there, but it depends like how you will deal on the severity of the depression. Like you can ask him to, like be active, take a social media break. The reasons of whatever the reason is for his depression, maybe a social media. Don't punish him. Don't talk to him about negative thoughts. Okay. Take medication time. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. One more question is there. From Chandni Dhabalia. Would psychoanalytic therapy help in combating depression? If yes, how?
I am not much aware of psychoanalytic therapy because basically CBT and REBT therapies are used for depression. To be very clear about it, we use rational emotive behavior therapy and we use cognitive behavior therapy because it is affecting your this feeling, thinking, and behavior. So we go to your cognitions, cognitive behavior therapy.
1 second. Anxiety and panic attack are part of depression?
Tell me, repeat.
Anxiety and panic attack are part of depression?
No, this is a totally different disorder. Anxiety is a different disorder and depression is a totally different disorder. But in depression, there are manic phases also. The manic phases are when you get, high on it. Like, many a times you say you don't get sleep in depression, but some people go to sleep for 15 hours. Many a time there is a manic episode in depression where the individual, a woman will go shopping endless. She will spend money like anything. So that is manic depression, mania depression type. Okay, so depressions are of different types.
Ma'am,
બોલો.
હજુ ક્વેશ્ચન છે કે સપોઝ સામેવાળાને ખબર છે કે he or she is in depression, right? And if family member ask them, let come with us and let meet a psychiatric or psychologist.
પછી hello.
हाँ, तो तभी क्या अगर वो सामने वाला बंदा रेडी
हाँ
नहीं हो रहा है आने के लिए, तो क्या करना चाहिए?
हाँ. So
सॉरी।
basically what do we do actually, we talk to the there are nowadays video recordings about the individual, full video recordings if he is acting very bad at home, supposing a severe type. There are some videos which you can show us. Of course, again, the full history of the client can be given to the individual, the doctor, and accordingly she will guide you how to get the client. Many a times we psychologists work as a teacher or a friend coming to the home, and we do family visits, home visits, and we try to understand the client.
Okay. There are two or three questions.
Hmm.
One is, what is the difference between psychiatrist and psychologist?
Yeah, so the psychologist is the person, is a counselor, and a clinical psychologist is a person who will screen your like to a depression, like which disorder you are suffering from. He, complete total history she will take. She will do a thorough examination of your environmental factors, your biological factors, all the factors, and then she will of course she see to it, what are the symptoms which you are presently suffering from, and from what period and to what time. So many a times, when I talked, like this beginning only, like mild to moderate and to severe. So a psychologist is a talk therapy, and a psychiatrist works with medicines. So when your neurotransmitters, the receptors of your transmitters of your brain, the chemical imbalance is too much, or it's where the thought process in your brain is only not working, then you need to have some medicine to balance your chemical balance, and then you can understand what I am talking. And so then you can go for the therapy, RABT or CBT. So a psychologist is a talk therapy, and you can say in short, a psychiatrist is with medicines. Have I cleared you?
Yeah, एक second.
Hmm.
केतकी सा मैं अपने बराबर आंसर आप्यो छो. Okay. One second. There is one more question. Okay, she is satisfied with your answer, ma'am.
Yeah.
There is one question from Yash Malde.
Huh.
My mother is suffering from genetic and menopause associated anxiety and depression. We have already consulted a psychiatrist.
Huh.
What home recreational activity would you recommend to deal with at home?
Yeah, but I should understand the full the age of the client. What are the other factors which I can see?
Okay.
If I tell any recreational activities, and if she's not able to do it, like I should understand the client's history. So she can call me or WhatsApp me on my number. I will answer to her if she
Yeah, yes,
makes me.
Maldives. I think 1 minute. Yes, Malde, you can ask. एक minute. Yes, Malde. 1 second. Okay, ma'am. I think he or she will WhatsApp you.
Okay.
And one more question. 1 second, ma'am. Do you believe social media is contributing to higher case of depression? If yes, then what are some of the strategies to overcome this?
See, I will tell you, how happens, your there are stressful events in your life. Everybody has stressful events in your life. Okay. And everybody has a frustration tolerance thing. So it is like that, the social media, of course. So how much do you indulge with social media, and how much it is affecting you, accordingly you will be affected. If I am not a very social media person, if I'm not affected by it, then it won't get affected to me at all. See, if there are 200 likes and my friend is having 5,000 likes and I'm affected with it, of course I will fall a prey of it, of the social media. So it depends, like how you take it. What is your frustration tolerance? What is your satisfaction level? What is your own human constitution about your brain? Have I answered to some extent your answer, the question?
Yeah, one second.
Hmm.
There is one more question. How to balance? She says yes, and other question is from Neetu Shah. She is telling how to balance chemical in brain without medicine.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you know, what happens where the severity of the problem, if the severity of the problem is, then you need to take medicines. I will tell you very honestly, you know, with the client which I am talking about, 10 years after that, when we had a talk therapy, I thought he was functioning properly. He does not need medicine. But it was 10 years of his automatic negative thoughts in his brain, which were not easily. Anybody understands, like, if to learn a habit, it takes at least 60 days. So to unlearn a negative thoughts, how many days will you require?
One day.
Huh. So it is like that. So of course, so when there are negative thought, चारे अपने negative thought होते हैं, तभी आपको ज्यादा नेगेटिव थॉट्स होंगे. और अभी जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि ये जो केमिकल इम्बैलेंस है, समझो आपको बुखार आया है, तो आप दवा लोगे कि नहीं लोगे? लोगे ना?
Yes, 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 yes.
यस. तो वैसे ही समझो आपका केमिकल इम्बैलेंस हुआ है, जो 3 मेन केमिकल्स है, तो उसके लिए दवा लेना. और डॉक्टर, ऐसे डॉक्टर है जो आपको दवा देते हैं. समझो आपका अभी बहुत हाई पे हो, आप सीवियर पे हो, फिर आपको उसके सुपरविजन के हिसाब से आपको दवा पहले समझो 1 डोज दिया है, फिर आपको आधा लेने को बोलेंगे, फिर आधा से आधा लेने बोलेंगे. तो आपको कंटिन्यूस साइकेट्रिस्ट के कनेक्शन में रहना है, तो आपकी दवाइयाँ धीरे धीरे कम हो जाएगी, लेकिन बैलेंस रहेगा. उसके बाद आप जब भी साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास थेरेपी भी लोगे, तो आपका वो बैलेंस हमेशा के लिए रहेगा. आपके नेगेटिव थॉट्स है, जो डिस्टॉर्शंस है, वो धीरे धीरे आप जब भी हमसे बात करेंगे, हम उसका डिस्प्यूटेशन कर सकते हैं.
Ma'am, one question is there. What is ADHD? My son treatment is going on for ADHD.
Yeah.
Why child need counselor at small age?
So attention deficit hyperactive disorder is ADHD. Okay.
Okay.
So okay. So he needs, because he is hyperactive and his attention concentration is low. To increase his concentration, attention, and decrease his hyperactivity, you need a counselor.
Okay. One more is there. 1 second. Do you think the case of depression has been increased due to the lockdown?
Yeah, to some extent.
Yes.
But I'll tell you, at some, of course, you know, it depends, you know, like अभी मेरा घर नहीं चल रहा, तो इकोनॉमी की वजह से भी मुझे डिप्रेशन आ सकता है. अभी मैं फुलफिल्ड हूँ, मेरे पास कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, तो उसकी वजह से, जैसे मेरे पास क्लाइंट्स है जिसके पास बिल्कुल स्ट्रेस नहीं है, तो उनकी दवाइयाँ डिक्रीज हो रही है. फैमिली में समझो बॉन्डिंग है और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो फिर भी डिप्रेशन डिक्रीज हो जाता है. लेकिन बहुत जगह ऐसा है, जब क्योंकि अभी घर में सब साथ में नहीं रहते थे इतने टाइम में, लॉकडाउन में सबको साथ में रहना पड़ रहा है, तो उसकी वजह से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स कई घरों में इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. तो उसके कारण भी सब झगड़े ज्यादा हो गए, ये हो गए, तो अल्टीमेटली कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के कारण डिप्रेशन होगा, थॉट्स होगा, ये सब होगा ही. लेकिन जहाँ पे कंजीनियल और जहाँ पे वो फैमिलीज आपस में समझ सकती है, एक दूसरे को सब काम भी जो भी है साथ में रह के कर रहे हैं, तो उनको डिप्रेशन उल्टा से कम हो रहा है. ऐसे हमारे क्लाइंट्स हैं जहाँ पे इंक्रीज डिक्रीज दोनों हुआ है, लेकिन ज्यादा करके मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि इंक्रीज ही हुआ है.
मैम, कोई टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आप सबको? हाउ टू, वन सेकंड.
One question is this, ma'am.
हाँ.
What are main reason of depression?
Main reasons.
Yeah.
See, what happens, you know, when what happens, basically what happens, depression, what is depression? I'll tell you very easily again. You know what happened? You see something. Supposing you and your friend are talking, or you,
मैम,
anything like that.
1 second. Yeah, 1 second. કે બેઓને મ્યુટ કરી દો ને યાર. DBS કામદાર અને બીજા જણને જેને મ્યુટ કરી નાખો ને.
मैडम, आप अभी अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
Yeah. So I'm audible?
Yes.
Okay. So what are the causes of depression? That is what your question is, isn't it?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So as I said, there are biological causes, environmental causes, and psychological causes. So biological causes, I told you, is your genetic, and the other is your neurotransmitters, the chemical imbalance. Environmental factors is your job, or in environment, anything which happens, disputes in the family. Okay, that is psychological, sorry. That is personal, sorry. Environmental factors, psychological factors and social factors. जैसे कि आपने अभी बोला सोशल मीडिया, तो वो एक सोशल फैक्टर हो गया. कहीं पर बाहर गए तो आपका कंपैरिजन हुआ, तो वो एक वापस सोशल, क्योंकि सोसाइटी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर प्ले करती है. साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर है, जैसे कि आप खुद में जब भी आप थोड़े डिप्रेशन में के सैड मूड में आते हैं, तो आपका सेल्फ स्टीम लो हो जाता है, तो उसके साथ साथ आपका कॉन्फिडेंस भी लो हो जाता है. इनडायरेक्टली आप डिपेंडेंट पर्सनालिटी हो जाते हैं, फिर आप सब चीज पूछ पूछ के करते हो, तो इनडायरेक्टली ऑल दीज थिंग्स गो हैंड इन हैंड टू बी से. जब भी आपके नेगेटिव थॉट्स होते हैं, तभी आपको इनडायरेक्टली लगता है कि आई एम नॉट गुड, आई वोंट बी एबल टू डू, मेरे में हिम्मत ही नहीं है, ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, हर चीज में आपको नेगेटिव दिखती है. तो ये सब साइकोलॉजिकल कॉजेज है. एनवायरमेंटल है, जैसे कि फैमिली आपके ऊपर प्रेशर डाल रही है, कोई भी आपका कोई समझो आपका डाइवोर्स हो जाता है, समझो आपका कोई फाइनेंशियली लॉस हो जाता है, ऐसी कोई भी ऐसी चीजें जो आपके साथ होती है, जो आप घटना नहीं घटनी चाहिए, जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आप सफर कर रहे हो ये नेगेटिव थॉट्स है, और उसमें आप एक इवेंट भी ऐड हो जाता है, उसमें वापस पर्सनालिटी भी ऐड हो जाती है. सो ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स टुगेदर मेनी अ टाइम्स कंट्रीब्यूट टू डिप्रेशन. But many a times, if your frustration tolerance is high, you can tolerate, then of course you won't get, you will understand. But the chemical imbalance is also an important factor which you need to be understanding. Yes.
Ma'am, tips
Hello.
to
Hello.
madam.
हाँ बोलो ने.
હા મેમ, ફ્રેન્ડ
હા.
લોકોનો કેટલો રોલ હોઈ શકે ડિપ્રેશન થી બહાર લાવવા માટે?
હું હમણાં જ પહેલા જ બોલી ગયેલી સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં જ કે જો કેવી તો હોય છે, હવે આજે મને ગમતું નથી, હું ખાલી આટલું કહી દઉં છું કે મને ગમતું નથી, હું બધું મારું કામ કરું છું પણ મને ગમતું નથી, તો આપણે પહેલી વાત છે, તું કઈ ફરી આવ, તું કોઈને બીજા ઘરે જા, બીજા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ને ઘરે જા. ઓફકોર્સ જ્યારે તમે ટ્રીટમેન્ટમાં ગયા છો અને પછી તમે ઠીક થઈ ગયા છો ઓલમોસ્ટ, ત્યારે સપોર્ટ થેરેપીમાં ફ્રેન્ડ્સ બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પ્લે કરે છે. સપોર્ટ થેરેપીમાં family, friends, and of course there are support groups also for depression, where every individual tells his whole story about depression, and then you feel હા મારે સાથે એકલા સાથે નથી થયું, બધા સાથે થાય છે. and actually આપણે બોલતા નથી, પણ બધા સાથે કંઈ ને કંઈ થતું જ હોય છે, અને આપણે બધા એક જોડે સમજો વાત કરીએ તો you feel યા મારો જેવું જ છે, એને પણ આવું જ થાય છે, મને પણ આવું જ થાય છે, so it's easy. બટ હવે આપણે નહીં, મને જ આમ થાય છે, આઈ એમ ડિફરન્ટ, અરે મારા સાથે કેમ થઈ શકે છે? You are not accepting yourself. That is the thing. I must be correct, I must be perfect, I must do like that. It's okay to feel sad, it's okay sometimes to not to go to work, it's okay to do what you like sometimes.
આપણે એમ માની શકીએ કે હરેક વ્યક્તિની લાઈફમાં કોઈ ને કોઈ એક ફેઝ આવે છે ડિપ્રેશનનો?
Yes, એકદમ right answer છે. Everybody, 80% to 90%, I could say 100% people at some time of their life, sometime or somewhere in their life, they go through this phase of depression.
થેન્ક યુ.
Yeah.
તમે ક્વેશ્ચન છે,
હા.
પર્સન્સ ખબર તો પડે કે ક્યારે ડિપ્રેશનમાં ગયો, પણ એમ ક્યારે ખબર પડે કે ડિપ્રેશનમાંથી બહાર આવી ગયો?
So simple as that. જ્યારે આપણે ડિપ્રેશનમાં જઈએ છીએ ત્યારે આપણને કેવી રીતે નોટ ફીલિંગ ગુડ, હોપલેસનેસ, જે પણ હું કહું છું સિમ્ટમ્સ એ છે. પણ જ્યારે આપણે બહાર નીકળી જઈએ તો આપણે બધું આપણું કરી શકીએ છીએ. સો સિમ્પલ, સો ઓફકોર્સ યુ નો કે યુ આર આઉટ ઓફ ડિપ્રેશન. અને તમારા ડોક્ટર જોડે પણ તમે વાત કરો તો જ્યારે અમારા સેશન્સ હોય છે કાઉન્સલિંગના કે મેડિસિન્સના ને બધા, તો સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં જે કેવી સિવિયરિટી હોય એના પ્રમાણે અમે હપ્તામાં એકવાર બોલાવીએ યા 2 વાર બોલાવીએ. પણ જ્યારે અમને ખબર પડી જાય કે તમે ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ થઈ ગયા, તમે સમજી શકો છો, તમે આપણા ખુદના કામ બધું કરી શકો છો, then we wean off it. We ask you to come weekly once, 15 days में once, month में once, or sometimes after 6 months में one, and then of course we keep a tag on it, so that again in a year once you can talk to your therapist again, so that you understand you are on the the same track. People do talk after 6 months also, or 1 month also, they at least message us कि मैम मैंने को थोड़ा वापस ऐसा लग रहा है, मैं क्या करूँ, वो वाला वापस से मेडिटेशन कर लूँ, मैं रिलैक्सेशन थेरेपी आप मुझे दे सकोगे, मुझे ये कर सकोगे, तो दे आर बैक ऑन द ट्रैक. बिकॉज જો કેટલા બધા સ્ટ્રેસ છે એ આવ્યા જ કરે છે આપણી લાઈફમાં. આમ નથી કે આજે આ સ્ટ્રેસ ગયો કે એ સ્ટ્રેસ ગયો, ને બધાની ક્ષમતા આ બ્રેન છે, આ બ્રેન કેટલું લઈ શકે છે એ આપણે બધાને ખબર છે. બ્રેન અને માઇન્ડ વર્ક ટુગેધર. તો કેટલી વાર આમ થાય છે કે યુ આર આઉટ ઓફ કંટ્રોલ, સો યુ નીડ અ થેરેપિસ્ટ. Yes.
Is homeopathy treatment helpful?
Hello. Yes. Can you repeat the question?
Yeah. Is homeopathy treatment is beneficial?
I cannot comment on this at all actually, because I'm working with a psychiatrist and I myself is a clinical psychologist. So no comments. Of course, જો એ એક જ વાત છે, તમને હોમિયોપેથિક થી ફરક પડી ગયું છે, તમે એ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ લો છો, તો ગો ફોર ઇટ. પછી શું છે, જે ટ્રીટમેન્ટ આપણને બરાબર લાગે છે ને આપણું ફરક પડી જાય છે, ઓફકોર્સ યુ શુડ ગો ટુ ઇટ. એમાં કઈ રોંગ નથી. યુ શુડ બી ગુડ. તમે ઓલરેડી થઈ જવા જોઈએ, બરાબર ને?
Right.
Now, ma'am, please give some tips to the members
On
how to avoid depression.
talk. Important thing is talk. જ્યારે પણ તમને કઈ ચીજે કઈ પણ તમને નથી ગમતું, તમને નથી સારું લાગતી, talk. Have a clarity, have a transparency. ક્લિયર કટ જ બોલી દેવાનું છે. સારી રીતે જે પણ સ્ટ્રેસ હોય છે ઈ. Yeah. So anything else?
One more to question. How can one get out of depression arising through health issue?
Health issue. So depression also has one times when we have women's, or of course we have males also, who have this depression. The symptom is the body ache. Body ache થાય છે, ખભો દુખે છે, આ દુખે છે, ઈ દુખે છે, બધું. And they show it like that, the depression, કે મને આ બધું દુખે છે એટલે મને આ બધું થાય છે. So what do you mean by what was your question? Can you repeat once more? Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Repeat.
Yes. Yeah. Does menopause play a big role in depression?
Yes, because in women's, depression is twice more in women than in men's. Because the hormones play an important part for women. The hormonal imbalance. Menstruation na એક week પહેલા એ લોકોને કોઈ દિવસ feeling mood swings હોય છે. So of course these two play important hormones, of course, for women. And there are different time periods also when women face more amount of depression. ક્યારે mid life crisis માં પણ વધારે હોય છે. So there are some things, but of course the menstruation and the postpartum depression, these are depression which especially women face through.
One more question. Who ignores society is less or not prone to depression?
Who ignores the society is
society less or not prone to depression?
અચ્છા, જે સોસાયટી સાથે વધારે નથી રહેતો એને ડિપ્રેશન થવાના ચાન્સીસ ઓછા થાય છે, આમ તમે કહો છો?
ના, મોસ્ટલી એમ. યસ.
હા, મોસ્ટલી એમના ડિપ્રેશન થવાના ચાન્સીસ ઓછા થાય છે, ઈ તમે કહો છો એમ? હા. તો જો તમારી આ વાત છે કે જો હમણાં તમે સોશિયલ મીડિયાનું ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછેલું, મને સમજો મને બહુ ગમે છે, મારે સોસાયટી સાથે રહેવાનું, બધા બિલ્ડિંગના ફ્રેન્ડ સાથે રહેવાનું, ને મને બહુ જ ગમે છે કે એમને સાથે રહેવાનું, મને નીચેની સોસાયટીમાં રહેવાનું, મને આઈ લાઈક મૂવિંગ અરાઉન્ડ ઇન સોસાયટી. કાંઈક પણ છોટું પણ પ્રસંગ હોય તો આઈ લાઈક ગોઈંગ. So then there, if I'm avoiding, means I'm having depression. So that is withdrawing from yourself, from the society, is depression. But it is your own interest of not being in society, then you're not depressed at all. This is your own personal choice of not going to the society.
Okay. I think
Hello, ma'am.
all of
મેમ એક ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછું?
Yeah.
હા, તમે જે 3 સ્ટેજ બતાવ્યા, માઇનર, મેજર અને સિવિયર, તો જનરલી તમારા એક્સપિરિયન્સ પ્રમાણે જેટલા બી ડિપ્રેસ પર્સન કન્સલ્ટન્ટ માટે જાય છે, તો એ મારા ખ્યાલથી સિવિયર લેવલ પર પહોંચે ત્યારે જ આવતા છે કે માઇનર મેજર લેવલમાં પણ આવી શકે?
જો અમારે વધારે કરીને કેવી રીતે કોઈ આવે છે અમારે આગળ કે મને આઈ એમ નોટ ફીલિંગ, મતલબ કે મને આ પેટ દુખે છે, અને બહુ દિવસથી એને એક્સરે પડાવી દીધું છે, આ કરાવી દીધું છે, બધું કરાવી લીધું છે, પણ એને ખબર નથી કે પેટ કેવી રીતે દુખે છે, હજી સુધી ખબર નથી પડી. તો મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધેમ ડાયરેક્ટલી ડિપ્રેશન માટે બહુ ઓછા આવે છે, બીજા કાંઈ સિમ્ટમ્સ લઈને આવે છે, અને જ્યારે અમે એમને સાથે બેસીએ છીએ તો એમના રૂટ કોઝ કંઈ અલગ જ નીકળે છે. કે ચાઇલ્ડહુડમાં એ લોકોને વર્બલી, ફિઝિકલી મા બાપે કોઈ દિવસે માર્યા હોય કે કોઈ સેક્સ્યુઅલી અબ્યુઝ કર્યું હોય, કેટલા બધા રીઝન્સ નીકળે છે. ને હું તમને સાચી વાત કહું તો મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધેમ હેવ સમ ચાઇલ્ડહુડ બેડ મેમરીઝ which indirectly so which pop up when achanak there is a stressor in your life, and then that is the manifestation of depression.
ઓકે ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ મેડમ.
મેડમ એક સવાલ છે કોઈનો
હા.
અંદરનો, ડિપ્રેશન શેમાં વધારે હોય, મેલ કે ફિમેલ?
મેં હમણાં જ કહ્યું કે ફિમેલ્સમાં વધારે કરીને ડબલ ડિપ્રેશન હોય છે.
ઓકે. કોઈ મેમ્બરે એક સવાલ પૂછવાના છે? એની મેમ્બર?
No, I think let's conclude. She has covered all the answers. Yeah, thank you.
It was a nice, very knowledgeable webinar.
Thank you.
Madam.
Thank you, Rita ma'am. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Parag.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you all the members for listening me.